IPOB don form Eastern Security Network (ESN). The indigenous people of Biafra (IPOB) don form their own security outfit wey dem dey call Eastern Security Network (ESN). Dem talk am say dis ESN e be like the Amotekun for southwest and the Mitai Allah for the north. Dem say Eastern Security Network na to eradicate terrorism and criminality for Biafra land over the inability of the security agents for Nigeria to effectively guide the southeast. Dem say dis group ESN e no be for pipo wey be law-abiding citizens for their land, say but for na only the pipo wey dey do orukuruku and terrorist wahala for the southeast. The person wey form dis Eastern Security Network na im be Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu na British-born Nigerian Biafra political activist. Na im form dis Eastern Security Network say to provide security for the pipo wey dey eastern state against suspected bandits and herdsmen wahala. One Chief Raphael Nwozuruike led movement for the actualization of the sovereign state of Biafra wey dem dey call MASOB, wey dem don give themselves another name say dem be Biafra Independent Movement, don disclose say members of dis newly formed Nnamdi Kanu security outfit wey dem dey call Eastern Security Network dem dey train for Anambra, Imo and for Delta State. Im say BIM and MASOB don distance themselves comot for dis orukuruku based on say the guerrilla training camp dem dey for Anambra State and Delta State. The guy tok say im know say Nnamdi Kanu led IPOB dey train dis pipo, but im dey wonder why the governors of dis state dey never come outside come talk anything. Im come warn say make security agencies make dem dispatch dem immediately go dis locations there, make dem go scatter dis Eastern Security Network before water go pass garri. But Mazi Nnamdi Kanu don come outside come talk say the way dem dey label dis Eastern Security Network say dem be terrorists, e say e no good. E say ESN dem be like Amotekun for the west and the Miyetti Allah for the north. E say if those people dem fit defend their own region of the country, why ESN no go fit defend their own side of the country? E say since the southeast and south governors dem no wan come outside to come work together to make sure say dem secure their land, say IPOB don take up the responsibility to do am for dem. Im come clarify on dis development say their work na only to watch, guard and to protect people and not be to fight, say and dem no be army. E say the fact say na IPOB create am no mean say na to come form war or to fight war to take scatter Nigeria. E say Biafra go come with support with people by the right time to comot for Nigeria when the time reach. E also tok say true when dem wan form dis Eastern Security Network, dem no go through the state house of assemblies for the other states like the way Amotekun dey do. E say because im feel say the eastern governors dem don dey compromised and dem no get mind, dem only dey take order from the north before dem dey act. E say dem no dey bold enough like the west wey defy every law and put their land first. E come talk say any state governor wey go work against dis network, the Eastern Security Network go deal with dem. E also warn dem say make dem dey give their land to Fulani people or to northern people. E say no dey against the rearing of cattle for their land o. Say but if dem wan use the land take do anything, make dem dey pay for the land wey dem take dey build their house and their shop, wey take dey do business the way other people dey do. And make dem stop to dey sleep for bush, dey destroy farm, dey cause wahala for the community. E say ESN go fit handle the problem wey dey come.
DJ NTV.
Governor on parade.
I want us to give 3 motions to our great leader. I want to go.
Different people don't react in their own way to the formation of this Eastern Security Network. Some of them say, why it go be say na Nnamdi Kanu na go form Eastern Security Network? Say the guy na terrorist. Nigeria government don't declare unwanted. Terrorists no go fit protect people against terrorists. But the one way cause shock people pass. Now the group that they call Conference of Igbo Elders for Peace and Development. The group that dismissed the Eastern Security Network say na illegal waka they do and Eastern Security Network not they exist. But the spokesperson for the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, where they call Ima Powerful, he don't come outside court to say Nnamdi Kanu na be the liberator of their time, and he wish to draw the attention of the whole world to this Conference of Igbo Elders of Peace and Development. He said this group, they not they exist. He said na just the Department of State Services, DSS, now they create the group to confuse and to deceive people. He also say they not go just give them face so to call they respond to them. He said, but because of say to keep everything straight, may they just inform everybody say the above name group where they call Conference of Igbo Elders for Peace and Development. He said they know they exist and they not get any place for Igbo land. He said so anything where they talk, may the members of the public may they not listen to them. He also told say this na postscript by the DSS and this na confirmation say ESN na nightmare to the Fulani controlled federal government because in the feel say they are carefully laid out plan to take over the eastern region. It don't fail woefully. Another person wey don still come outside condemn this ESN na him be the chairman of the Southeast Governors Forum and the governor of Ebonyi State, David Umahi. He talk say make people ignore this Eastern Security Network wey IPOB form sake of say their leader na outlaw. Say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu he no suppose form anything for this Nigerian sef. Umahi say the Southeast remain the safest region and nobody go fit contradict that one. He talk say the fact say Nnamdi Kanu wan come form one security network, he say na play matter, may not take am serious. He just talk the way he concern am. He said no want a repeat of what happened during the EndSARS protest at all for the Southeast. He said the governors of the Southeast no go tolerate anybody wey go come outside court us say he wan form one thing or the other without their consent. The spokesman of IPOB, Ima Powerful, don come outside court us say the word wey David Umahi talk on behalf of a colleague, he say na word wey dey come outside for person mouth wey no get liver at all, and he say IPOB no get time for all those kind of statements. He talk say if government want attempt to stop ESN, make dem first stop terrorism before they go even attempt to say they won't say make Eastern Security Network no hold. He also talk say this na wetin the people of the Southeast thought they agitate for since sake of say their life and their property be no dey safe, and ESN don't come to help them safeguard their lives and properties. My people, I here we take come to the end of our daily news update for DJM TV News. May you not forget to like and to share this video. Most importantly, drop your comment on what you think about this matter. I still remain on a girl and sister, Lawuru Favor for DJM TV News.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJ ATV.
some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJ ATV. DJ ATV. DJ ATV. DJ ATV.